Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Artisan Cutlery line now available at KnifeCenter.com. KnifeCenter.com now offers the Artisan Cutlery line of folding knives and tactical pens that are perfect additions to your everyday carry. You'll see a few similar features in the folder such as reversible pocket clips, frame lock and liner lock variations, ceramic bearings, and they all fit well in larger hands. All the folders come in a G10, carbon fiber, or TC4 titanium handles, and they will all have multiple color options. The G10s are paired with a D2 tool steel blade, while the carbon fiber and titanium variants feature an S35 stainless steel. Both versions of the blade come in a stone wash finish. The G10s are priced under $100, and you can get the titanium and carbon fiber versions for under $175. First up is the Tradition series. These folding knives feature either a 3.94 or a 3.14 stone wash drop point blade. These models weigh in about 5.9 ounces and feel really great in the hand. They have a smooth flipping action and secure lockup. It's probably the most basic knife in the lineup, which will work well for someone looking for a great everyday carry. Next is the Littoral, which is going to come in the same material combinations as the Tradition, but has a lighter weight and a more compact build than the Tradition. These folders have a 3.75 inch blade in either the S35 or the D2 variant. We think the action's a little bit snappier on the Littoral due to the smaller blade. You'll get the same great performance and lockup as the Tradition, as well as the same comfortable feel in the hand. It weighs in about 4.7 ounces, but the lighter weight does not make it feel any less sturdy. Now we move on to the Predator, which might be our favorite EDC option in the lineup, simply because it comes with a Phillips head screwdriver bit on the butt of the handle. Just like the Tradition and the Littoral, you'll get a G10, carbon fiber, or titanium handle options, and a high quality steel. The flipping action feels very weighted and predictable, and you'll obviously get that Artisan Cutlery type lockup. Moving on to the Shark, this knife is the sleek speedster in the lineup. Like the rest of the knives in the family, you'll get the same specs and materials, but what sets the Shark apart is that the titanium models include a carbon fiber inlays for a more unique look and feel. Being the thinner model of the bunch, this will be ideal for the person with smaller hands. However, I would not call this knife low profile, with the blade coming in at 3.98 inches. The flipping action feels quicker than the other models as well, while still maintaining the sturdy locking performance. Finally, we have the Tactic pen. Here we have your standard ballpoint, black ink pen on one end, and a window breaker on the other. It may not be a knife, but it still comes in handy and should be part of any well-rounded everyday carry, because you never know when you're going to need a pen or blunt force strike device unexpectedly. It has an all-titanium construction in the body, grip, and even the clip. Cap twist open and closes securely with an internal O-ring on both sides of the pen. The pen uses a removable Schmidt Refill P900 black ink cartridge for when the ink runs out. It comes in a standard gray titanium color and a black anodized finish. Price for the Tactic pen will be under $115. That about wraps up our look at the Artisan Cutlery line now available at KnifeCenter.com. We'll have a link in the description below for you to learn more about them, and if you have any questions regarding these brand new products, feel free to leave them in the comments below. To see more of our knife and tactical gear related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, KnifeCenter.com. Check back often for updates about our deals, sales, and how you can save money on the best knives and tools on the web.